Hey everyone! If your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or iPhone 17 Air keeps freezing or lagging, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, close all apps running in the background. Too many open apps slow your phone down, so swipe them away and clear the memory. Next, force restart your iPhone. Press volume up, then volume down, and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. This refreshes the system and clears small glitches. Then, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, scroll down, and update all your apps, especially the ones that keep freezing. Outdated apps often cause problems. After that, check your storage. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage. If it's almost full, delete some apps, photos, or videos. Freeing up space can make a big difference in performance. If the issue continues, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset, All Settings. This won't delete your data, it only resets system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and wallpaper. It's safe and often fixes deeper bugs. After doing these steps, your iPhone should feel much smoother and faster again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy iPhone fixes.